Hello everybody, I'm Mike Santora, Managing Editor for Design World Magazine, and I am here at the Igus booth at IMTS 2022. With me today is David Sandelin to tell us a little bit more about what Igus is featuring at the show this year.
Thanks, Mike. At the show this year, we're featuring our brand new product called TRX. It is a hybrid of our original product, TriFlex, a cable management system for robots. The unique thing about TRX is it has a built-in retraction system. So rather than putting a full-on retraction system on the robot, it's its own deal. It reduces payload on the product, it reduces cost on the product, and it's a much easier installation for the customer. It's ideal for material handling applications. And we're featuring it here in orange and black. Sadly, it's only going to be black when it comes from us, but it's catching a lot of eyes here at IMTS.
And David, where can everybody that's not able to be here on the show floor, where can they go to find out more information about Igus?
They can go to igus.com, type in TRX in the search function, and they'll find out lots about it there.
Okay, well, wonderful. Well, thank you so much. And of course, for more videos like this, you can go to designworldonline.com.